Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and kitchen aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, a closer look at the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet. If you're on the hunt for a stylish and reliable kitchen upgrade, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and home improvement tips. Now, let's get started. The Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet is a timeless and elegant faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a single-handle design that makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature. The faucet also has a high arc spout that provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans. The Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet is made from durable materials that are sure to last for years to come. It is also backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty, so you can be sure that you are making a sound investment. The Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet boasts several key features that make it a popular choice for kitchens. Here are some of the highlights: durability and leak prevention. Diamond Seal technology. This patented technology uses a ceramic disc instead of traditional washers, eliminating friction points and ensuring leak-free operation for life. Delta claims it lasts twice as long as the industry standard lifetime limited warranty. Delta stands behind the quality of this faucet with their lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind, functionality, and convenience. Single-handle design provides easy control over water temperature and flow with just one lever. 180-degree swivel offers maximum reach and flexibility for filling pots, cleaning dishes, and tackling other kitchen tasks. Pull-down sprayer for specific models allows you to switch between a steady stream and a powerful spray for different cleaning needs. Water efficiency. Delta's Touch Clean spray holes resist mineral buildup, making cleaning easier and potentially reducing the need for frequent cleaning with harsh chemicals. Style and finish. Classic design, timeless and elegant look that complements a variety of kitchen styles. Multiple finishes available. Choose from chrome, stainless steel, matte black, and other finishes to match your existing decor. Additional features: easy installation designed for single-hole configurations. InnoFlexPEX waterways eliminate the potential for unpleasant odors or taste. Meets WaterSense criteria for water efficiency. Ultimately, the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet offers a combination of durability, functionality, style, and value, making it a popular choice for kitchen upgrades and new installations. Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: elegant and timeless design. Single-handle convenience. Durable construction. Multiple finish options. Spray functionality. Easy installation. Cons: potential for limescale buildup. Limited temperature. Faucet reach. Spray head maintenance. By weighing the pros and cons carefully and considering your specific needs and budget, you can determine if the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet is the right choice for your home. And there you have it, folks, a closer look at the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen with a perfect blend of style and functionality, this might just be the faucet for you. Check the links in the description for more information and current pricing. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy remodeling!